Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Cesar Lopez. I will talk about the vowel sound O. If you can to look or you can to see this vowel O, the vowel sound O. To pronounce O with your lips about a middle inch, 1.3 centimeter apart, rounding into a circle. Begin the sound and move your lips into smaller circle. For understand more this vowel sound, you can to see different figure or picture to you understand more this vowel sound. How I can to move my mouth or how I can to use my lips in different things. For example, in this case, the first figure or picture show how I can to move my mouth and my lips. You can to see this picture show the lips for a circle. You can to see, but this picture want to show oh. The next one you can to see. The next one show the last sound. Oh, the circle is smaller. In the first one, oh, in this picture finish. Oh. But in this case, you can to pronounce excellent the word, but if you don't pronounce excellent, the other people don't understand you. For that it is necessary to pronounce very good, because the other for the other people understand you. Listen and read the following sentences. You can to see the first one. Oh no, don't go. You can to see how to pronounce this letter. For example, in this part, oh no, don't go. It is necessary to pronounce good. Oh no, don't go. And the next one, you can to see, Flo chose to row the old boat. Because if you don't pronounce good, the other people don't understand you. For that, it is necessary to pronounce good. But there are many sentences where I can to pronounce, I can to read using the vowel sound O. I want to show other example, but some words where I can to pronounce different. There are many different words where I can to pronounce. For example, over. This word over. You can to move your mouth, your lips over. In the next one, go. It is same. Your mouth or your lips. The last time I can to show different picture. Oh, in this case, in this word is the same. Your mouth and your lips can to move slow. Go. And this syllable, all is the same. Slow, slow. So. This word is the past of see. Soul, bone, stone. These are some examples about the vowel sound of. I hope that you understand me. This is necessary to learn. It's necessary to learn because you have more thinking about the vowels, about the different things in English. Okay, thank you for your attention. Blessing.